Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to increase sales by optimizing your Amazon product listings. Let's get into it. In today's video, we're focusing on a crucial strategy to help your Amazon sales soar. Optimizing your product listings. This is where you have the chance to stand out in a crowded marketplace. So let's get right into it. First up, we can't underestimate the power of a well-crafted product title. Your title should be a combination of clear information and strategic keyword placement. Think about what your target customers are typing into that search bar. Are they looking for a specific product type, or are they concerned about features? Your title is your first opportunity to connect with them, so make it count. Next, let's chat about images. They are the lifeblood of your listing. Customers are visual creatures, and a high-quality image can often say more than 1,000 words. Ensure that your main image is eye-catching and professional. Use additional images to show different angles, functionalities, and even lifestyle contexts where your product shines. Think about how you can visually communicate the value of your product to potential buyers. The bullet points are your direct line to explain what sets your product apart. Highlight not just features, but the benefits that matter to your customers. How does your product improve their life? Maybe it saves them time or offers unparalleled convenience. Make it relatable and compelling. In your product description, dive deeper. Here's where you can tell the story of your product, what inspired it, how it works, and what makes it a must-have. Use engaging language and sprinkle in those keywords without sounding forced. It's all about painting a picture of why your product is the solution customers have been searching for. Don't overlook the back-end keywords. While customers can't see these, they play a vital role in how your listing gets discovered. Spend time researching and choose a mix of keywords that will help improve your visibility. This is crucial for making sure your listing gets the traffic it deserves. Lastly, remember that optimization is not a one-and-done task. Continuously analyze your performance. Look at conversion rates and customer feedback, and be ready to make adjustments as needed. If a particular keyword isn't driving traffic, don't hesitate to refine your approach. By taking these steps, you can create optimized product listings that not only attract more views, but also convert those views into sales. The key here is to be strategic and thoughtful about every element of your listing. With dedication and the right approach, you'll see the positive impact on your sales performance on Amazon. That's it for today's session. Remember, your product listing is your sales pitch. Make it as effective as possible. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.